Hi everyone. Today we will talk about ordered list in HTML. Okay. So for that I need Notepad. So this is my Notepad and this is my simple structure of HTML program. Okay. Now in this title I am writing ordered list. Okay. And here in body you have to start OL. Okay. Then LI for list item. Now you can write any name. Suppose I am writing the school names, St. Anselm, LI close. Again enter LI St. Francis, LI close. Then again LI St. Paul's, LI close. Okay. You can write any number of names. I am writing only 3. Then in the end you have to close OL, ordered list. Okay. This list is used to display the data with series of numberings or ABCD or Roman numbers. Okay. Simply when you write OL tag without any type attribute, you will get the numbering. Okay. So I have to save it. Let's see what happens. After saving this, you have to move to next. So I am giving ol.html. You can give any name. .html is compulsory. Okay, and I am saving it on desktop. This is my desktop. Okay, you can select from here where you want to save. Click on save. Minimize it. Here you will get the OL HTML page. Now double click on it. So this is your ordered list. This is my title and these are the data. Now look, it is coming 1, 2, 3 like this. Next, look, we have not written anything here. Means we have not described the type tag. Now I am writing type equal to, here in double comma you have to give which type of numbering you want. Okay. So by default it is coming 1, but just I am showing you again. If you write this 1, your list will get now. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is coming. Now if you say I want to start the numbering from 4, I don't want to display 1, 2, 3, I want 4, 5, 6. So again you have to click here just after this 1, give space and start equal to, and here you have to write this from which numbering you want to start. Now save it. Look, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3 is not coming. So this list will provide you the facility to change the numbering from where you start or from where you want to start. Okay. Next, if you want to display ABCD, look, small a, capital A, different are there. If you want to show small ABCD, you can write this. Okay. Then again save here and F5 or refresh. Now look, ABCD. If you say I want to show bigger ABCD, capitals, okay, no problem. Now again, okay, if you want to display numbering in Romans, so you have to use your keyboard's I displays 1, or you can say Roman number 1. Okay, now save it and F5. Okay, so this is the way by which you can use the OL type attribute. Now after that, if you want to apply that background color, so you have to write BG color equal to, and suppose I want to show purple. Okay, and I want the text color equal to white. Again save it, F5. Okay, this is purple color and this is in white. Okay, here before this OL tag I am using H1. Okay, I am typing the heading like this: use of ordered list. Okay, H1 close. Now save it, move to this and press F5 for this. Okay, now if you say we want to display this in the center of the screen here or on the right of the screen, so you can use it here. Just near this H1 you have to write ALIGN equal to double comma and center double comma close. Okay, now save it, move to this and press F5. Okay, if you want to move to right, you can just write here this. Instead of center, you can write. Okay, now again save it, move to this and press F5. Okay, this is the way by which you can use the heading or any tag with center align, right align like this. This is important, especially the align tag is important. That's it for this video. In our next video, we will move to the next topic. Till then, watch this video properly, do the practical and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any of the new video, you will get them. Okay, thank you.